Hello guys, today it's just a video to have some fun. I have a message for every student and I just want to say thank you for the school year. It's been an excellent school year. I love teaching you guys this year and I am sorry I won't be your teacher next year. It breaks my heart. Beep, beep, beep. It really doesn't. No, it actually kind of does. I will be missing every single one of you as far as teaching goes, but hopefully I will see you around school. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to see you guys when the recommendation letters are required because I've done like 200 the past 3 years. So first of all, I'm going to go by list name. So to begin, the shout outs, Andrea, very good year. You have that sense of humor. I really enjoy the whole sarcasm thing. I really enjoy it. You just have a very good student, great grades, great work ethic, and you're very smart, and I really enjoy teaching you. So, thank you for being my student. Really enjoy teaching you. Maria Elena, Maria Elena, good job on the 100 you scored. You were the only student one time to score a 100. I will never forget that. Very good job. Very good student, good questions, good work ethic. Thank you for the calls where you were asking a lot of questions and worrying about your grade and wanting to improve. So good job. I know you're going to do great. So I will see you next year at school. Excellent job, Maria Elena. Daniel. Daniel, I think you're the student I talked to the most of that class. We have a lot of things in common. And, I've always enjoyed the whole, the sport, the shooting sport that you do, skeet shooting. You're very good at math. You're a well-rounded individual. I had you in the medical elective. You always want to learn more, and that curiosity will help you a lot in life. Just learning more, knowing more, asking why this happens, how does this work. We also got into philosophy questions and very difficult math questions in the puzzle elective. So I really, really enjoyed teaching you. Thank you for being such a great student. Had a great year with you. Bo. Believe it or not, I had a really, really good time with you this year, especially at the end. In the beginning, you were like the Poe I knew in 10th grade. Not at the end. At the end, you were a totally different person. Incredibly serious, worried about your grades, studying, doing well, asking questions. And I'm going to miss the opportunity to teach you next year because you ended as such a good student. I am very proud. I'm very proud of the work you did. De verdad, sin relajo. You really got serious. You worked every day. You did your questions. You worried about your grade. You ended with a very good grade, Bo. So I'm very proud of the work that you did. Excellent job. Keep it up next year. De nuevo, si viene una mala nota, don't ever give up. Keep on working, okay? Excellent job. Have a great summer. Julio, who am I going to talk to about video games? You're the only, there's a couple of other gamers in the group, pero you're the only one I really talk to about certain video games, Subnautica, etc., and you're getting into medicine, so good luck with that. I really enjoy teaching you. You're a very nice and educated person. You work hard. You try to do as best as possible in your final year. It's going to help you a lot in med school, okay? Just don't give up. Work, and be as serious as possible. And have a great summer. Go play a lot of video games. You earned it. Ada. Excellent job. Excellent job. Very hard worker. Thank you for joining FRC this year. I enjoyed seeing you in the FRC meetings, and hopefully I will see you next year. I plan to be a lot more in FRC next year as well. Very smart, very hard worker. Very good friend from what I see with Rosa and everybody else in the class. So just good job. Have a great summer. Hope to see you next year. Guerrero, we had an inside joke with Hermes and Quesada. I will not be repeating that joke ever because I know you're a great person, a great sportsman, great athlete. The few basketball games I got to see, I saw that you were a very good leader on the basketball court, very good, player, and overall very well educated, very hard worker. Just apply a very good work ethic both in normal academics and in basketball, and you will go very far in life. So good job. I really, really enjoyed teaching you. You're an awesome person. Rosa, I will never, ever, ever, ever forget one of the first comments you ever told me. You said, Profe, I'm going to need a tutor. And I think that was 10th grade, one of the first classes. I'm like, trust me, I think you're going to do well. And you've done extremely well. Also in FRC, you did an excellent job. I believe you really helped a lot. You're a very, very helpful person. You care about a lot of things, and that shows in your work. So very good job, Rosa. I really, really enjoyed teaching you. You were very happy, very humorous, even though sometimes you didn't get the exact grade you wanted. You did an excellent job, and always very friendly, very happy. You have a very interesting career in front of you, so good luck with that. Hopefully you won't do a movie about a horrible math teacher who gave you bad grades. And just excellent teaching you. Thanks for being such a great student this year. Have a great summer. Daniela, when I think of you is, oh my God, a 99, why not a 100? I got a 99, horrible! You're excellent students. So you're striving for perfection. That's awesome. You're very smart. You're a very helpful person in class. You're very educated. You follow the rules. You really care about your work and your grades. That's priceless. Also, one of my favorite students, just incredible. I really love teaching students that are so I don't know, just so striving for perfection, that work so hard, that ask questions, that when I got something wrong in the test, why did I get this wrong? How can I do better? Care about your SATs, taking the time to study. Just excellent job as a student. You know that next year, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I might try to help you. I'm always going to be your teacher. Excellent job. I also might, I think there's going to be the whole SAT thing again next year, probably. We don't know how that's going to work out. We know that the few times we did do it this year, we had a great time. But, coronavirus cut us short. But overall, thank you for being such an excellent student. It is one of the reasons I teach, and I feel good because I see results. So excellent job, Daniela. Omar, say hello to your sister for me. She was an excellent student. I really enjoyed teaching her. I also, again, in 11th grade overall, there are students I really, really enjoy talking to as people, talking to as students, just being, just helping them and getting to know them. And Omar, you're also one of them. I love to see the basketball games in classes. Sometimes you're at 100% and you're working and you say, Prof, I got it. Other times you're a little tired and kind of turned off and maybe sleepy. That's fine. I mean, that happened to me in college as well. We can't all be perfect all the time. I really enjoy talking to you. You're very smart. Sometimes you got frustrated, and I don't think it's because you were not understanding things. It was because you were maybe doubting that you were intelligent enough to learn some concepts. Don't give up. You're one of the smartest people I know. Don't give up, Omar. Don't get frustrated. Not knowing things and obstacles are part of life. You'll see. Keep on working. Keep on going forward. You're going to do great. I will miss you. Next year, I won't be able to teach you. I'm going to miss you guys. 11th grade. And again, I think overall, it's one of my favorite. This is probably the best class I've taught as far as balance overall, good grades, good behavior, good attitudes. I think this is the best class. And you can ask the other grades. I don't say this to every class. I've never said this to any class. I think this is the best attitude overall, best work ethic, incredibly intelligent people. So it has been a real pleasure to teach you guys. You make teaching awesome. So thank you. And Omar, you're one of those students. I really enjoy seeing the basketball games, jokes, the math puzzles, see how you guys try to convince other folks how to do certain things. So it was a really, really excellent time. I also believe you were in the programming elective, and I also enjoyed that time. Anna, same as Daniela, striving for excellence. Now, you were an excellent student, don't get frustrated, because sometimes when the exam wasn't going your way, you would over stress. And again, stress is necessary in order for us to care about certain things and do well in life. But over stressing doesn't help anybody, doesn't help you. Remember, when you're working, get the job done. After work, you can complain or whatever. Excellent student, striving for perfection. Again, fast learner, good worker, asking a whole ton of questions, wondering what you got wrong, why you got it wrong, how to do better. Love teaching you. So excellent job, Anna. Awesome student. Again, one of my favorite students. I love this class. I'm going to tell everybody they're my favorite students. It's not fair. No, again, I love this class. So Anna, excellent job. Take care of yourself in summer. See you next year. I hope everything's okay. See you next year. Diego, the 3-point master. I'll never forget your basketball games. Again, I didn't go to, well, there weren't many this year due to the situation. And I am grateful that you guys wanted to invite me. And, I really love those basketball games. So hopefully I will get to see some basketball games this year. And again, good worker. There are some slip-ups, but also some very good grades. Just normal, great student. Very educated, very funny, very upbeat. You don't give up easily. Really enjoy that. Diego, I'll never forget you. Take care. Oyer. Besides the times I caught you playing pool in your cell phone in class, besides that, everything was really perfect. Excellent student, great basketball player, fun, educated, made excellent questions, paid attention, good projects. Again, excellent student. Thank you. Have a great summer. I will see you soon. Michelle, I'm telling people that I got to know you in 10th grade and I got to teach you in 11th grade. And I think there are two different people, and it's for the better. In 10th grade, I think there were some attitude problems. I took your cell phone away a couple of times and the grades weren't the best. I didn't see that you were all there for the class. That totally changed in 11th grade. I think you matured a lot. You grew up. You were worried about your grades. You were working very hard. You did excellent this year. And I would like to congratulate you. De verdad, excellent job. I really enjoyed this change I saw in you. Your grades, your work ethic, your attitude, everything got incredibly better. So good job. I really want to congratulate you. Manuel, I know we had a rough start in the beginning due to your operations and missing some classes and maybe some sleeping issues sometimes. But overall, I think you are a very good student. There was a problem in school with a cell phone and you were very honest. I think that's a big plus. Being honest is a very big plus. And at least in that situation, you were honest, and that shows some character. Very good work, and I just thank you. Also better than in 10th grade. I think you did a very good job this year. So have a great summer, Manuel. Quesada, also very funny, very upbeat. Watch the basketball games. Good job. The grades sometimes were good, sometimes were bad, but overall, good job. Okay, good job. And also, thank you for being honest. That one time I asked the group to be honest. So that had also shows a lot of character. And you were very honest very quickly. So thank you for that. You're a great person, and I'm pretty sure you're going to do excellent in the future. Juan Diego, first time I got to teach you, I was very positively surprised. Well, not surprised because I didn't know you, but I had a very positive experience. You're very smart. You're very hardworking. You were one of the guys that were always, Profe, let's go on to the next subject. I want to know more. We've already explained this twice. Let's move on. Maybe a little bit more patience, but overall very good drive to know more, to work more. Very serious. You care about your grades a lot, and hopefully what you've learned in my class will help you in your possible career, which is programming. I'm a programmer. I think you're going to do an excellent job programming. Believe me. I think you have the right mindset for that particular career. You're going to do an excellent job. So it was great to meet you. And it was just awesome to teach you. You're a very good student to teach. I loved it. And Hermes also. When I think Hermes, I think 100s and basketball, but mostly 100s. You're an excellent student, very self-driven. You do not need a lot of guidance. You're very independent. I just had to tell you what to do and it got done. Okay, very mature, incredibly smart. And also, I think you know how to, well, you hardly, well, when you scored a 95, I think that was a failure, but you know how to fail, how to get back up, not complain, study, do better. So you are a very positive-minded, very hardworking student, also great during basketball games. And also FRC. For all the folks I didn't mention in FRC, thank you for joining FRC this year, even though the end result wasn't what we wanted. This year it's going to happen for you guys, okay? And also I will be more involved in FRC this year. So Hermes, also one of my favorite students, excellent hard worker, incredibly smart. You get the job done and you get the job done perfectly. So it was a real treat to teach you. I will be missing all of you guys next year. There's not a single student on this list that I will not miss next year. So you can say it to other classes and I will defend it officially. I think this is my favorite class overall because it's had the best of everything. For example, well, not the best, but overall across the board, the best students, very well-rounded, well-behaved, great attitudes, great grades, almost excellent grades, great work ethic, incredibly smart. There are no complaints. At the end of the school, can't complain about anything. Even though during the school year I was complaining, you guys aren't reading, you guys aren't doing your jobs. No. You guys did your job very well. So thank you for that and have a great summer, guys. I will miss you all. Take care of yourselves, okay? Take care of yourselves. And I will see you all next year. Thank you for this school year. Take care.